Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset network settings on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up settings. Inside settings, all you have to do is simply scroll below, tap on general, scroll below again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and just like that, simply tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings. This will reset all network related settings, including saved Wi-Fi, password, and Bluetooth devices. You will be prompted to confirm your choice. You can simply tap on reset network settings to proceed. And just like that, your iPhone will restart and show the Apple logo. Once the process is completed, it takes around 15 to 30 seconds. You will return to the home screen and then you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth devices, or any other network related settings. And that's it. This method is safe and does not delete any personal data like photos, videos, or apps. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.